Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 3rd March current affairs. Welcome to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, exercise Desert Flag 6. Here this exercise is the Indian Air Force is participating for the first time in this exercise, that is Desert Flag, along with air forces of UAE, US, France, Saudi Arabia, South Korea and Bahrain. These all countries are included, are participating in exercise Desert Flag 6. Once again I will read: UAE, US, France, Saudi Arabia, South Korea and Bahrain, and finally India also for the first time it is participating in this exercise. Here this exercise is an annual multinational large force employment warfare exercise hosted by the United Arab Emirates Air Force. Every year it will conduct, that is annual, it is a multinational, that's why these countries are included, are participating. That is about exercise Desert Flag 6. It is hosted by UAE. Next one, representation of the People Act 1951. We know that Election Commission of India has announced general elections for the legislative assemblies of West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. That's why there is a Lieutenant Governor changed from Kiran Bedi to Telangana Governor Tamilisai Sundarajan. Here, why it is news? Why? Because there is a registration of political parties. There may be some new parties, or already some national parties also is there in that general or legislative assembly elections. That's why registration of political parties is governed by the provisions of section 29 of the RPA Act 1951, that is representation of the People Act 1951. Here a party seeking registration under this the said section, that is 29A section, with the commission has to submit an application to the commission within a period of 30 days following the date of its formation. Suppose I want to form a new political party, or I want to register a new political party. From this formation I have to submit my registration to Election Commission of India within a 30 days. That's why this due to general legislative assembly elections, this representation of the People Act, that is RPA Act 1951 is in use. Next one, there is a Maritime India Summit 2021. Here the theme of this Maritime Summit is exploring the potential business opportunities in the Indian maritime sector and making Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. Here the capacity of major ports have increased from 870 million tons in the 2014 to 1550 million tons now. Here mega ports with world-class infrastructure are being developed in Vadhavan, Paradip and Deen Dayal port in Kandla. Here India aims to operationalize 23 waterways by the 2030. Here there is also a awareness center, that is Sagar Manthan. Here Mercantile Marine Domain Awareness Center has been also launched in this Maritime India Summit. Our Prime Minister has launched this or inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This will be on 2nd March 2021. Next one, CAFE regulations. Here there is a thin difference between these CAFE regulations and BS6 regulations. We will discuss in this article. Union Minister for Road Transport looked into the request by the car makers from the Society of India Automobile Manufacturers, that is SIAM, to postpone implementation of BS6 CAFE Phase 2 regulations to April 1st, 2024 on the grounds that industry is still in the COVID-19 impact. We know that from 2019 onwards there is a COVID-19 impact. That's why this Society of India Automobile Manufacturer has requested the Union Minister for Road Transport to postpone the implementation of this BS6 CAFE regulations. That is, CAFE means Corporate Average Fuel Efficiency. Regulations are similar norms to BS6 but with a different approach towards the reducing the carbon footprint in the exhausted gases of the vehicle. That means BS6 will concentrate on the included of this carbon sulfur dioxide and other many CFC gases. Now, but here if this KF, that is corporate average fuel efficiency, will concentrate more on the carbon emissions only. That is why there is a thin difference between BS6 regulations and KF regulations. That is about KF regulations. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.